Installing a whole house or basement-focused dehumidifier sized to your basement cubic footage is the most effective way to prevent mold and musty odors in new construction. First, calculate the basement volume by multiplying length, width, and ceiling height, and then choose a dehumidifier rated for that cubic footage at the expected conditions. For new construction, opt for a unit that removes enough moisture at lower temperatures, since basements are cooler than living spaces and performance drops with cold air. Run a condensate line to a floor drain or install a condensate pump if a gravity drain is not available, and slope the line to avoid standing water. Integrate the dehumidifier with the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning control system, or use a dedicated humidistat set between 40 and 50% relative humidity for optimal mold prevention without over-drying. Insulate cold surfaces such as ductwork, foundation walls, and exposed pipes to reduce condensation that can overwhelm the dehumidifier. Monitor performance with a reliable plug-in hygrometer placed at representative locations and log readings during the first month to confirm steady operation. Homeowners often undersize the unit, which leads to continuous running and elevated humidity. Size to the full cubic footage and consider a higher capacity unit if the basement will be partially finished or has frequent water entry. A second common issue is poor condensate management that causes backups or leaks. Always provide a dedicated drain, trap primer, or a properly rated pump, and test the discharge at startup. Third, lack of integration with the ventilation or thermostat can cause cycles that fight the air system. Wire the dehumidifier to the HVAC control or set a coordinated control strategy so the systems complement each other. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and post project examples that relate to basement humidity control and dehumidifier installation. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips, troubleshooting experiences, and contractor recommendations to help our members find work and help homeowners complete better projects.